All right, welcome, guys. Today I'm going straight to the point. A lot of you want to learn forex trading, as you can see on my screen, but you have been wondering what is the best place to learn forex trading. This is the best place to learn forex trading. My trading is very, very simple, right? To understand, I want you to know that trading is more of psychology. Psychology is just the large part of trading, right? And my class are free because I'm going to be uploading my videos on YouTube. All you have to do is try as much as possible, settle down. In trading, you must learn the process in trading, right? In trading, you must learn the process. Once you already know how to trade as a trader, you can trade both the forex market and the crypto market. Let me show you what I mean. This is cryptobubbles.net, right? As you can see, the cryptobubbles.net. I can decide today that, you know what, I want to trade the crypto market because it's going to be more like, if you are a trader, you are a trader. It won't, nobody is going to take that away from you. I want you guys to always understand that nobody is going to take the skills from you. So that is why you sometimes you have to settle and learn the process. For those who are already traders, and you have been finding it difficult, to be profitable in the market, whatever is affecting you is psychology. It's not because you don't know how to trade, right? That is it. So now let's go to the Euro JPY. I'm going to explain this for those who are new to trading. When we talk about GBP, when we talk about USD, you know what is USD, United States dollar, right? Europe JPY, meaning the European against the Japanese yen. So you already know these things. For those who are new, I'm going to be posting the best place where you can get the theoretical part of your trading, because this is will make it easy for you once you can get these things. So now, looking at the weekly time frame, what can you guys detect? That is one thing you need to ask yourself as a trader. What can you detect from the weekly time frame? From the weekly time frame, you have to detect that, oh, you know what you have to do right now is you have to really look at the chart and tell yourself, here is a support level. You understand? Don't make things so critical, so hard for you. The reason why you keep failing in trading is because you are making things so complicated. You understand? Keep trading simple. Like, there's no magic in it. Using moving average, complicated things for yourself. I'm not saying that this thing does not work. They work, but keep things simple if you want to be profitable in this market, right? If you want to be profitable in this market, you have to keep things so simple. That is it. So looking at this, as a trader, you already know what to do, right? You already know what to do from this point. You understand? You already know what to do from this point. Just draw your support and resistance line. You understand? Your support and resistance line and move ahead. If you look at where I put this my console, you can see it's showing 18th of December where this candle was. So I can just like this is still another important zone for me to draw, right? Which make it what? Which make it my resistance point, you get. But as I go lower, the zone will become so important. You understand? The zone will become more important. That is it. Don't complicate things. No need of drawing around this zone, because I have nothing to do with that particular zone. You understand? So let me go to the daily time frame. Yeah, so I'm moving straight to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, guys, let's see what the daily time frame will give us. You know, don't complicate your trading, because in trading you have to understand that whatever goes up must surely come down, and whatever comes down must surely go up. That is just the mindset you have to have, the psychological mindset you have to have about trading. And don't just say, okay, you know what, I want to enter trade today, meaning I must enter the trade today. Like, allow the market to give you what you want. So if I'm a position trader, for example, if I'm a positional trader, all I have to do is to just wait for in order for this my trade to just enter. Maybe I can just wait for if I'm a positional trader, I can just decide that, you know what, I'm selling the market from here because this is a strong sell candle. You understand? So if I sell from there, I know where I'm going to put my what, my take profit, and where my stop loss is going to be. And another reason why most of you are not profitable is ability to apply risk management. It matters a lot, guys. That is why most of you tends to like not being profitable in this market. You must be risk conscious. You understand? You must be risk conscious. That is another factors you have to know. So looking at this, if I'm a positional trader and I want to take sell right now from here, right? This is more of like to this particular take profit. This is more of like 377 pips. 377 pips. You have to note the amount you want to the pips you want to apply, because if you apply like 0.1 pips lot size, 0.1 lot size, this is more of like let's just say approximately this is more of like one lot size, meaning you are hoping to get like $377 if this trade should enter. So don't look at the good part, also look at the bad part, because if you put your stop loss to be like above this previous candle 76, meaning you want to lose $76, is your amount capable? If it's not capable, then you have to break down the lot size you want to use for this trade. So risk conscious, you have to apply risk management, and then keep your chart so simple. Keep your chart so simple. So for the daily time frame, daily traders, I have to like daily traders and the intraday traders, I have to like, let me go to the lower time frame. You get right. So for the lower time frame, now I'm going to the 4 hour time frame. I did my analysis on the weekly time frame, also the daily time frame. The 4 hour time frame is where I'm going right now. Normally for me, I love stopping at the 1 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame is where I'll try as much as possible to look at my chart well again, so see what I've been able to do. So you can see that this chart is so simple. I must not complicate things around here. So sometimes after doing my analysis to the 4 hour time frame, I go to the 1 hour time frame to look for confirmation candles. And the next videos I'm going to discuss more on confirmation candles, how to spot out confirmation candles, the pin bar, the bullish candles, the marabozu. So you have to know these candles in order to know when to enter trades. You understand? So that is the most important thing on this stuff. And then as a traders, there are some certain factors you have to some certain things you have to put in place. Now if you are this kind of trader that don't follow news, you have to like relax your trade when there is high impact news. But sometimes news can also be good for trading. You get the point, right? But sometimes news can disorganize your analysis. So that is why sometimes if you are this kind of traders, you have to avoid some certain news event, right, before you go for your trade, most especially for the day traders or the intraday traders. Like you want to take your trade every day, like you want to enter the market and leave that day, you have to be conscious. You have to take note of news and avoid them. So looking at this chart is so simple. This trading is not hard. What makes it to be hard is you are not risk conscious. That means you just do your analysis for one period and you feel like, you know what, you are 100% sure of this trade, and then you just go all in and then blow the amount. You understand? Risk conscious. Psychology. Something made you to enter that trade for the first time. So while you enter the trade, allow the trade to play out. My rules in those aspects is, set and leave. Like once I set my trade, I just leave it. That is the most important thing, because something gave me convictions in order for me to enter the trade. And what gave me the conviction is my trading strategy. You understand? My trading strategy made me to enter the trades. These are very, very important for those traders that want to be so profitable in this market. Just set the trade and leave. Have a trading strategy. This is your time frame you want to focus on. This is what you want to. Maybe you are a breakout and retest traders, or you are support and resistance. That means you trade zone to zones. It matters a lot, guys. So that is the most important thing you have to know. So from this chart, when the market got to this particular zone, this particular resistance zone, if you guys can observe, right, if you observe very well, you see that this is a very important zone. This is a very important zone. This market was trying to break out this zone. Let me just put this chart where so you guys can see what played out here. This market tried to break out this zone. Yeah, this is the real point of the resistance point. You can see there's a fake breakout here. That is why if you are trading zone to zone levels as a trader, which is very profitable, you have to also look for micro structures around this around the resistance level. If you want to be like at least like 85 or 90% sure of your trade all the time, you have to be sure of the macro structures out your resistance or your support level. So when the market came to this particular area, you can't just enter the trade and say you want to sell. No, you look for confirmation candles. You also try as much as possible to look for macro structures. The market came here fine, it started forming some kind of support. So at this point, you can't just take sell. You understand? You can't just take sell. You must wait for this support to be breaking. You understand? It must be broken first. Sorry, it must be broken first before you can enter sell. You understand? And as you can see, guys, these structures have been broken. There's a breakout here. Now it is more of like breakout and retest. And now at this point, we can say, okay, you know what? We want to sell the market downward. These are what will make you to be like 85 to 90% sure of your trade at zonal levels. I'm telling you guys, these are what tends to make you to be profitable at zonal levels. You have to be sure of these things when you encounter this market. Trading is very simple. You just have to approach it in a better way. That is the way I see the market. You get the point, right? So that is it, guys. For those who are new to trading, I want you guys to know that videos on what forex is all about, you have to do more of work on reading what forex is all about. And then once it comes to analysis, I'll be dropping updates on constant analysis on how to analyze your chart, how to stick to your rules, both as a forex trader, as a crypto trader. These things are very simple, guys. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next videos, guys. Thank you.